Keshaunna.
Can I be in it?
So,
I can be in it after I get done?
yeah. So, I got some collard greens up here. It just, these turnip greens. This right here, these seasoned turnip greens out of can. I just put some water up in there. And put it on a pot in the stove. And put the top in there. And let those cook for a little bit. Then you're going to preheat your oven for your cornbread to about 425. That's preheated. And then after you preheat your cornbread, you're going to take, it don't matter what cornbread, you can use cornmeal. Well, we're going to use this Jiffy mix. And I'm going to need 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. So let's get measuring cup. Not that measuring cup. So then you need to clean your bowl out. So once your bowls are clean, that's good. So then you're gonna pop 1 egg in here. And I have a little guest, but he had to go take a bathroom break. Oh, and make sure you wash your hands. My hands are clean, so we don't have to do that step. Then you're gonna take your measuring cup, or if you already know how to do it, but we have this dairy pure milk. It's 1% low fat milk. I hate milk, but I use it to cook. I do not drink milk. It's the nastiest thing ever. So you put your milk up in here. Close that up.
Hello.
Oh, here's my guest, my brother. So then you have your milk and egg mixture. Then you're gonna take some vanilla extract if you want. I
want to help you.
The cat food. Put that in. You pour the cat food in. Now I'm gonna get my beater.
The beater.
I am so sorry, you guys. The way I had you set up, I just messed up. So I don't know if we have 2 beaters. This is the Mix Master, and then we have another one, an old one. But I don't think I'm going to use the Mix Master. I think I'm going to use the old one.
I want to do it.
Yeah, get the tall ones. The little top things. They're probably in there. So guys, I'm going to move y'all just a little bit so I can bring it. And if you like my outfit, I have this shirt from Forever 21. These pants are from, don't remember where these pants. I think these are for Forever 21 too. And then don't worry about it. But then I just have my hair. I just did my hair and let my edges lay. I want to gotta lock it in. I'm gonna do it. You can pour probably brown sugar in. So now you're gonna take your egg and milk and vanilla extract mixture. Mix it. So it's all mixed up, not quite, not all the way good, but that's gonna do it. So no, you're gonna put that brown sugar in. So take your little cornmeal, your Jiffy cornbread stuff, or you can take cornmeal, however you make your cornbread and stuff. Go see somebody here. I'm trying to get this bag out. Nope. Okay. If you hear that, that's my dog. And back, she's barking because she's kind of mad. So then, you're going to take some brown sugar or regular sugar, but I don't want to do brown sugar today. We're doing the light brown sugar. Mara, get the measurings So you can get a scoop of this. The measuring cups. I mean, not the cups, with the spoon thing. I'm gonna give him a whole bunch of. I'm gonna give him a measurement, and then he's gonna pour it in. Who let a bug in the house? Oh my god! Y'all see the bug flying out? I'm trying to kill it.
Somebody let it in.
Oh yeah, I cook pasta. I'm cooking pasta. So, and then I'm cooking pasta, but I'm not gonna show you how to cook pasta. Okay, Mari, let's get it done. Turn it off.
If you like this video, please hit that like button.
We're not even done. You're not even supposed to hit that until we're done.
I see people say, I was supposed to pour it.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Just dumped it in there, soda.
Okay. Now we're gonna beat all that together. Okay, so we beat it, but we're gonna have to add extra milk.
I got the Cub Scout shirt on, y'all.
Oh, let me show you where his outfit is from. So he has.
I have Cub Scout.
Hush! He has his Boy Scout shirt on, and then he just has some red leg warmers.
No.
Not leg warmers, but windbreakers, whatever you call those.
But they're UFC sign.
Yeah, UFC windbreakers. But yeah, so we're gonna mix this up some more.
Flicking my wrist.
Okay, guys, it's all mixed up. So now you're gonna get your pan.
Yeah, flicking and flicking that wrist. I have to clean up the mess she made.
So checking on my collard greens.
Flicking and flicking that wrist.
Good. Yummy, yeah. And then you're gonna take some oil to put at the bottom. Put at the bottom of your pan. You can take those out. Some oil put at the bottom of your pan and clean your pan again. Yeah. We have to wash everything that we use.
We usually do cake mix with these and we lick them. No cake mix now.
So now you guys, now we're gonna pour a little oil. Oh yeah, let me get it slippery. So then, I like to do everything on my hand, just so that there won't be no mistakes because I know what I did. So now we're gonna pour your cornbread up in here.
Oh yeah, I will be making a YouTube channel soon. I just have to get my tablet back working, and I will make me a YouTube channel for y'all.
And I'm trying to get money. Like I'm taking different surveys to get money for my Hold on, guys. I'll get back at you in a few minutes. Okay, guys, so I'm back. So what I'm gonna do is take some vanilla extract and pour it like this. Okay, just to give it some more sweetness. Here.
I'll be coming at you with I'm trying to save my money up to buy me a controller and some games, and I'll be coming at you with a WWE 17 video. It's gonna be soon. I'm coming soon. Give me about like Christmas time or something.
So
And we're
guys,
gonna
here's our
cook.
pan. The cornbread, it's not a lot, but it'll work.
Yeah. Everybody eats up everything.
So put it in the oven.
Dabble. Dabble.
Once it's done, leave it in there for about
About 5 minutes. 5
15 to
hours.
20 minutes, and it'll be done.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye. See you later.
Please leave a like and subscribe if you want another video of cooking with Keshaunna.
Love
And my
you.
brothers. Mwah.
Yeah.